First impressions are formed in just a few seconds, and the psychology behind them is pretty fascinating. Whether you realize it or not, women are picking up on so many subtle cues the moment that they meet you, and a lot of them go beyond just looks or style. If you're new here, hi, I'm Courtney Ryan, and today I'm going to be breaking down what women actually notice first, the psychology behind it, and how you can make those first few moments count and work in your favor. Number one, we have your energy and presence. Before you even say a word, women are picking up on your energy. Psychologists call this thin slicing, which is the ability to form surprisingly accurate judgments in just a few seconds. Everything about you, your posture, your body language, even how you enter a room, sends signals. Are you walking in confident and grounded, or fading into the background with your nose in your phone? Being present isn't just about being loud or showy. It's about standing tall, making eye contact, and moving with purpose. Women notice the difference between someone who's comfortable in their own skin and someone who's trying too hard to impress. One simple tip that actually really helps me is before you walk into a room or start a conversation, take a deep breath and remind yourself to take up space without apology. Act like you belong there, because you do. Once you're talking, focus on truly listening to the person that you're talking to. Lean in slightly, respond thoughtfully. You can even mirror their energy just a little bit. Psychologists call this interpersonal synchrony. It's that sense of being in tune with the person that you're talking to. When you're truly present, she can feel it, and that connection makes a first impression actually stick. Number two, your style choices and what they signal. Clothes are one of the first things that women notice, not just what you're wearing, but what it says about you. Does it look intentional? Does it fit? Does it match the occasion? This is where psychology comes in. There's a concept called enclothed cognition. Basically, your clothes don't just affect how others see you, they also affect how you feel about yourself. A clean, well-fitted outfit makes you feel more confident, and that confidence is going to show. You don't need a huge wardrobe or designer labels. Just focus on fit, condition, and matching the sort of vibe of the occasion, dressing appropriately for the occasion that you're going to. Even simple, intentional outfits send the message that you respect yourself and the people around you. Keeping these things in mind shows maturity and self-awareness, and women will notice this instantly. When it comes to first impressions, the right jacket can say a lot without you even saying a word. That's why I'm excited to share that this video is sponsored by Thursday Boot Company. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I've been recommending Thursday for years, long before we ever even worked together. And while they're known for their boots, their jackets are just as impressive. Take the wax canvas field jacket, for example. It's rugged, masculine, and made to age beautifully. From a woman's perspective, it signals that you've thought about your style without overdoing it. Then there's the brown suede trucker jacket, one of my personal favorites. It's versatile, classic meets modern, and the suede texture instantly elevates any outfit. What I absolutely love about Thursdays is that they make high-quality, timeless pieces across their whole collection, from jackets and boots to sneakers and more, all at a price that actually makes sense. No crazy markups, no compromises, just well-made, versatile items that help you stand out for all of the right reasons. So if you're ready to upgrade your fall wardrobe and make a great first impression, click the link in the description to shop these jackets along with their boots, sneakers, and more, all with free shipping and returns. Thanks again, Thursday Boots, for sponsoring today's video. Number three, grooming and attention to detail. Women notice those small things that a lot of men overlook. Clean nails, fresh breath, neat hair. It seems minor, but these details communicate discipline and self-respect. Psychologists call this one the halo effect. When one thing, like looking well-groomed, is positive, women will naturally assume other good things about you, like competence and reliability. Here is such an easy solution. Build a simple routine. Trim your nails once a week, once every other week. Keep mints or gum handy. Use a basic skincare routine and find a barber that you trust. You don't need perfection, just consistency. In a first impression, those small details do make a huge difference. Number four, the way you speak. Your words matter, but how you deliver them matters even more. Tone, pace, and clarity all affect how women perceive you. Do you speak confidently, or do you mumble and rush through your sentences? Research shows that a steady, relaxed tone projects confidence and authority, while rushed or nervous speech signals uncertainty. One simple trick that I have for you that, trust me, I am also working on is slow down. Don't be afraid of a pause. Let your words carry weight instead of filling every single moment of silence. Record yourself talking if you need to. I think hearing your own pace can make you instantly more aware and more confident. I know at least it had that effect on me. When I'm going back and watching my videos, I can always tell, oh, you were a little bit anxious in that one, or maybe you were rushing, you're talking too fast, girlfriend. Slow it down. Number 5, emotional warmth and expression. Confidence is attractive, but warmth is what really makes someone approachable. Women notice if you seem open, curious, and friendly, or if you come across kind of closed off. Smiling, relaxed expressions, and genuine curiosity go such a long way here. Psychologists call this emotional contagion. People naturally mirror the emotions of those around them. A quick way to practice is smile when you greet someone, ask one thoughtful question, and show interest in their answer. First impressions aren't just about your own strength or confidence, they're about having a balance. Confidence plus kindness. Number 6, social awareness and manners. How you treat other people matters. Do you acknowledge the waiter, the barista, the doorman? Women notice. Psychologists call this trait inference. We infer character based on small behaviors. Being dismissive or rude is going to signal a lack of empathy. Showing little gestures of kindness, even tiny ones like I mentioned before, have such a big impact. Think of it this way. First impressions aren't just about how you act around her, they're about how you move through the world. Those small cues in how you treat other people say more than words ever could. Number 7, consistency and congruence. Finally, women notice when who you present yourself as matches who you really are. If your words, energy, and actions don't quite line up, it creates a subtle sense of unease. Psychology calls this congruence. People trust and feel comfortable with someone whose behavior feels consistent. A man who says one thing but acts another way creates doubt. A man who aligns his style, energy, actions leaves a lasting positive impression. It makes her feel more comfortable and makes her trust you more. Good first impression. Authenticity isn't oversharing or trying to prove that you're real. It's just about being aligned, and that alignment is what makes you stand out in the first few moments of meeting someone. So guys, that is all I have for this one. If you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be in the loop for when I release new content. And let me know down in the comments, what is the first thing that you notice yourself noticing when you meet someone? I would love to hear your answers down in the comments. If you haven't already, also be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. I love connecting with all of you guys over on there as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.